World leaders gathered in Rio de Janeiro for the G20 summit. And India is playing an influential force in shaping global trade, investment and supply chains. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a series of high-level bilateral meetings on the sidelines of the summit. In an interaction with the US President Joe Biden, Prime Minister Modi discussed key areas of cooperation between the two countries. On the sidelines of the G20, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met Chinese Minister Wang Yi and discussed India-China relations.
Contribution to both platforms was notable in shaping the eventual outcomes. But it was a reminder to us of the importance of our two countries in international politics. It was also, Excellency, an equally significant testimony of why our bilateral relations are so important.
With Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, Prime Minister Modi focused on strengthening ties in defence, security, trade and technology. Their collaboration is set to be formalized through the India-Italy Joint Strategic Action. Prime Minister Modi also met with French President Emmanuel Macron, where they reviewed progress on initiatives launched during Macron's January visit to India. Modi also congratulated Macron for France's successful hosting of the Olympic Games and Paralympics this year. Key discussions also took place between Prime Minister Modi and UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer. The two leaders highlighted the significance of the comprehensive strategic partnership between the two nations. Prime Minister had brief interactions with leaders such as Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto, South Korean President Yoon Suk Yeol and Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez. At the G20 summit, Prime Minister Modi's diplomatic engagements set the stage for stronger international partnership across multiple sectors, with discussions that are likely to have a lasting impact on the global stage.